So you guys ready? There we go. So what you just saw right there is a very thick, deep grass. And I'm gonna show you up close, and it went through it. So this is it. This is the wheelchair. Nice size battery. I wanna show you guys how easy this is to actually unfold. So folding and unfolding is super easy with it. Unfolded. Keep the legs down, arms in place. You can also lift up both arms. So both arms can be lifted up. Both feet can be lifted up. Feet can be tucked inside, just like this. Overall, just like this, lift it up. You have wheels that you can put on the back. So it's very hard to tip. The weight of this is lightweight compared to other brands and models. So overall, you wanna see how easy it is to put the battery on and take the battery off? Okay. Here's the battery. There's grooves right in here. So there's gonna be grooves in here. Go ahead, line it up, drop it in place. And now underneath, you just simply connect the wire. And it will show you guys up close how simple that is. And we're done. You don't need screwdrivers, you don't need tools. You are ready to go. So, and the battery sits on here, nice and secure. Wires right here for connecting and disconnecting. You can see the wheels easier. You have your control right on here. And a lot of people will mount this. So some people will mount this. Some people like keeping it on their side. So you can move this and mount this wherever you want. Just press to turn it on. You got a horn. When you go reverse, well, let's show you. So I'm gonna actually demonstrate this for you. I am 5'9", 205 pounds. Everything. It has a lot of speed. So what you just saw right there is a very thick, deep grass. And I'm gonna show you up close, and it went through it. Like, this thing is a monster in a good way. It's got a reverse. So it's got a reverse beeper. So this is very, very nice. Very nice. And even with the battery, it's still not bad with the battery. So overall, very impressed with this. This is one of the nicer ones we've ever reviewed. Now let me show you this graph. So this is from ground level, like very deep, very thick. It's not like, look at this. You see how it's set, goes down in like this? Is very thick and deep. In fact, the only reason that it's got slowed up was because of the legs. So if the legs were up, it would have went through much faster and easier. It's just the legs got caught up and it slowed it down. But first of all, I want to show you guys, this is how it comes from shipping. So it's basically all put together for you, ready to go. And this is how it opens up, which is really nice. It's just really simple and easy. Just pull it apart. Now, of course, push out down here, push down there. All right. Of course, we still have everything, you know, all the stuff on here that we need to take off, but it's really nice.